Hi class, I'm going to go over next week's assignment. So I'm in Canvas and I'm going to scroll down to the intrapersonal relationship that is due on the 17th, which is a Friday at 11:59 p.m. The Dropbox is right here. Next week's assignments are the MLA and the scavenger hunt. I deem these the small assignments. These are going to be due the 24th, which is also a Friday. Notice one is only worth 1 and one, the others worth 2, so these are small assignments. So don't spend more than like an hour or 2 on these max. Otherwise, you're probably doing too much. Now, these relate to the persuasive speech, in that for the persuasive speech, you're going to write a mini 2.5 to 3 page research paper. Failure to do that research paper will result in a 5-point deduction on your final grade in terms of the persuasive speech. And I do every semester have students that fail to turn that in, and I knock them down those 5 points, and usually that's a whole letter grade or at least a half letter grade. So the scavenger hunt has to do with finding resources using academic search engines, and the MLA exercise has to do with formatting your works cited page of your research paper. Now, why is that important? It's important because that you have a properly formatted works cited page so that other people can double check your research and determine whether or not it's legit or not. So that's why it's important to have a properly formatted works cited page. So this MLA assignment then, if we go to it, notice it says due on the 21st. It's not. This is if you were going to do it in class. You can go ahead and you can just delete these lines right here. That's when we were going to do it in class. So each of these citations has at least one thing that's wrong with them, some two. So this first one is John Krakauer, Into the Wild, New York Anchor Books, 1997. For this one, Krakauer's last name should come first, so it should say Krakauer, comma, John, just like here it says Flint, comma, Jerry. And then the title of the book, since it's a longer work, it should be in italics or underlined, so it shouldn't be in quotation marks. Shorter works use quotation marks. So if this were an essay, then it would be in quotation marks, but it's not. So where did I find this information? I'm going to go to the Purdue OWL. So this is Purdue University, their online writing lab. For whatever reason, they have the most up-to-date information on the MLA. Get rid of that. So what we want to go do, so this is basically, you see everything you need right here. So it's going to say, we're going to look on the worksheet and it's going to say a book with one author, right? And then we're going to go to works cited page, books. And we're going to scroll down. And basic book format then is right here. So then a book with one author then is right here. So this tells you how to do it then. So for each of these, scholarly journal, a film, working on an anthology. An anthology is also a book. They're going to in some way fall into one of these categories. A lot of them are going to, for you guys, a lot of what you guys will be using will be electronic sources. A scholarly journal is also known as a periodical too. So you can also look at how to set up your sample works cited page, of how you might do that right there. Now, I think I'm going to end this video and do a separate one on the scavenger hunt. Yes.